So my friend Lozzie made me my very own advent calendar. She picked everything out for me, and I told her that I would open it day by day. Today is the first, so we are gonna go ahead and open this up. I already kind of like took all this information off, and we're gonna get on in here. If I can keep the box open. She said everything is wrapped, so I should be able to find it okay. Oh, I gotta read me first, so I'm gonna go ahead and read these off camera. Thank you, Lozzie, and thank you for the Christmas card as well. I always look forward to getting your handmade Christmas cards. I think I have them all on the wall behind me, so I'm excited to put this one up there with it. This box has been sitting in my office for like 2 weeks now, maybe 3, I can't remember. And I've been so antsy and ready to get into it, so I have to find number 1. Oh, this is number 1. There we go. So let's get everything back in the box and then we'll open this closer so you guys can see. Okay, so here's number 1, and she did tell me that she put little like hints. So it says, knowing your love of Japanese food and kawaii goodies, these seemed a perfect gift for you. And I'm pretty sure, should I open this one first or this one first? I'm not sure. I guess this one, the one with the number 1 on it. It is taped to it. Dokies. I'm excited to see. Oh, it's Pokemon something. Let's get in here. Oh my god, Lozzie! Whenever I make my curry, I make it with the little pandas. I put little pandas in my curry, so this is perfect. I love it. I just got stuff to make curry too this week, so I will have to take some pictures when I do make the curry, and then this goes with it. It's another bag. That is awesome. It's a rice spatula, a rice spoon. That is awesome. I'm gonna have to send you guys some pictures when I make curry though, so that you can see what it looks like. I'll probably post it on my Instagram. I'm trying to get back into doing Instagram and my Twitter, which you guys can find that in my profile and page, so check it out. So this is day 1. Check back tomorrow to see what I got for day 2.